Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to add end screen and cards on our videos, like our YouTube videos that I've uploaded. So end screen are those videos that you see at the end of a video of a content creator, like maybe some few seconds before the video ends. You see some videos that will pop up like this. So this is end screen. Cards are videos that pop up during the course of a video, like when you're watching a video and you see something just appear like this. Yeah, that's cards. So the advantages of these two things are that at the end of your video, somebody watching your video might be interested on your end screen. Maybe you put a video talking on how to like fix your bed, how to boil water, how to do some things, and the person sees it as your end screen and the person is interested to watch. The person can easily click immediately after watching that particular video, click immediately on the end screen, like a video that shows on the end screen, and watch directly. Also, cards can be able to like, people can be able to watch. Maybe they don't need to finish your video. Maybe if it pops up, people can be able to click directly and watch if the topic is interesting. Or also at the end, they can be able to find your cards and your description in your description box and watch it. So all these things are very important because it helps you grow your channel, it helps you to have watch hours, it helps people to like watch your videos more and more, and helps to increase maybe subscribers and views. Reasons why you need to consider doing it. And if you're already aware of it and you are like, how do they do it, how is it done, do they put it on video, you're on the right video. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. So without further ado, let's just jump into the tutorial. So guys, in order for you to add cards and end screen with your mobile phone, what to do is that you open the Chrome browser. So when you open the Chrome browser, you're just going to write www.youtube.com and you take enter. So it's going to take you directly to your YouTube studio, like the desktop version of your YouTube studio. These are videos that have pop up on my home screen. As you can see, you take where it is written you click you. When you click you, it is going to show you your page. Like mine is Nuella Zawit. These are videos that I've uploaded and videos that I've watched. So I'm just going to take this icon which shows show channel. Okay, this is my channel. As you can see with the desktop form, this is how my channel looks like. So now I'm just going to like customize the channel. Okay, when you take customize the channel, this is how the channel is going to look like. In fact, this is how it's just going to show your profile. Then you take this icon which shows this YouTube icon that is showing here. You click on it, you take it directly to content. So these are my contents that I've done, and all these contents already have end screen. So what I want to do is I want to look for a content that does not have end screen, because the good thing with end screen and cards is that you can go to your previous videos, like your previous videos that maybe you did before and you did not put end screen or card. You can go there and put it. In fact, it's just that I'm lazy. If not, I've started putting end screen and cards on my previous videos, but I've not finished doing so. So let me look for a video that I've not yet. Let me go to next. I want to look for a video that I've not yet put end screen and cards. Let me take a day in the life of a wife and mom. I don't think I've added end screen in this video. Let me click on it, then I take end screen. This is it. It is already showing here end screen and cards. So I just take end screen. So I want to put end screen now. So what I do is that I come where it is written plus this element. I just click. Then you have the different lists. You have video, you have playlist, you have subscribe, you have chain, you have link. In fact, if you want a video to show as end screen, you take where it is written video. If you want a playlist, maybe you have created a public playlist and you want it to show as end screen, you just take a playlist. If you want the subscribe icon to show, you just take a subscribe icon. And the subscribe icon, when people watch your videos, it's just going to appear on, like, at the end of the video. Yeah, people are going to see the subscribe icon. They just click there and they're able to subscribe. But I will not advise the subscribe icon, because it's like people subscribing to your page directly, like not under a video. I think so. So before I used to put it, but I've stopped putting the subscribe icon. So what I do is that I just put my videos and leave it, then ask people to subscribe. And when you want to subscribe, you know that you are subscribing. At the bottom of the page, you always have that subscribe icon there, like what each video always have it. So I prefer that way than putting the subscribe icon on my end screen. So I'm just going to take video. Okay, when you take video, you have a lot of options that are showing here. So we have latest video uploaded. Like, you can decide if you want your latest video that you have uploaded for it to be as end screen. You choose. You have viewer friendly content, like allow YouTube to select a video from your channel that is best suited for the viewer. This one, you are the one to allow YouTube to choose, but I will not do that. Then select a specific video. That's the last option. In fact, this is the best to do, because you are able to put the video that you want to put. So I'm just going to take select a specific video. Okay, so I'm just going to select a specific video that is related to the video that I've done. So the video that I did was a lifestyle video. So I'm just going to look for another lifestyle video and put as end screen. Let me see. Let me take this one, a day in my life of a Cameroonian wife. Yes, let me take this. Then now you can position, you can arrange it the way you want. Then now you can be able to add again another video. In fact, for end screen, you can add, I think you can add up to four videos. Like, you can add up to 4 videos. So but what I do is that I add maximum 2 videos. So I'm just going to add another video again as end screen. So what you do is that you still go to element plus and take again video. So this is another one that has pop up. Then what I do is that I'm just going to take select video and look for another video again that is related to the video. Let me take realistic preschool morning routine. Yes. Okay, so I've taken this one and I've put as end screen. That's all. So when you do like this, you just take register. Like mine is written in French, and register. So you just take this icon here. So you just click on it and it's going to register your end screen, and you are good to go. So when people watch your videos, at the end of your videos are going to see those 2 videos that you have put as end screen, and they can easily click to watch or not. So now we're going to add cards on this particular video. We just take this icon, cards. Okay, to add cards now, the difference between cards and end screen is that end screen is at the end, like automatically when you're putting an end screen, YouTube like take you directly to the end, like maybe few seconds, maybe 5 or 6 seconds before the video ends, or 10 seconds, I don't know, but it's always at the end. But for cards, you are the one to determine where you want it to be, where you want the video to pop up to show. So I'm just going to like rotate my video, like play my video and see, or shift this to play maybe before. Okay, this is my video playing. So I've gone to how many minutes? 2 minutes of the video. Yes, so I'm going to put the first cut here by taking this plus. Then you can select also, either you select your playlist, you select your link, you select whatever I want to select. So but I'm just going to choose a video. So I'm just going to take the same videos that I put. You must not put the same videos, but I'm just going to choose the same videos for the sake of this tutorials. That is the cards that's already appeared. So it's already 2 minutes. So I'm just going to pause the video and play again for it to like go maybe about some few minutes again. This is it. In fact, let me accelerate it. Okay, I've gone further again. I'm going to add another card. When you want to add again, you just click this icon which is here and take plus. So I'm just going to take video again, and I put the next video, realistic preschool morning routine. Yes, just going to put, okay, this is this that has already appeared. So You can put as many cards, as many videos as cards as you want, like depending on what you want, you can put as many. So but for the sake of this tutorials, or in fact me, I mostly put 2 videos. Like the videos I put for end screen, I always put as cards. It depends. There are some videos that I can maybe add again, maybe about 2 other videos. So cards does not have problem. You can put as many as you want. So when you do it, you just take register, this icon, and it's going to register directly. So I've already put my end screen and my card. I'm just going to come out from this page. Hope you have learned something, guys. Please, if you see this video worth sharing, make sure you share, make sure you like, make sure you put your comments below. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and support your girl. We're in a journey to reach 1,000 subscribers in order to fully monetize this channel. So without further ado, see you in my next video. Love you, bye bye, and take care.